All right, we're gonna do a walk around video of our 1928 Ford Music truck. This was a fire truck, and it does have the Calliope mounted on the back. We don't have a restoration date on this. I would believe that it was about 20 years ago it's been restored. Very good restoration though. Good paint. The whole underside is clean. The chrome is immaculate. Lots of re-chroming of the original components. Fires right up, no issues like that. We had the tank drained and clean. Fluid shut off. Had the carburetor re-gasketed, cleaned up. Cover for the Calliope. Really cool piece of Ford history. Tires are in great shape. We don't have a bunch of dry rotting and cracking on them. Very cool. You know, not an absolute perfect piece. Got its own little paint blemishes a little bit throughout, but hardly anything. Original fenders. We don't know the full history on this truck. So let's take the plastic off with the rest